Hello everyone. So, this is Jyoti here from Real Education Center and we are discussing everything about triangle. See, in this series, before we start our topic, let me tell you certain things. Look at this triangle. This is ABC or ACB. Now, if I take this point A, which is a vertex of this triangle ACB, so the side opposite to it, that is CB. Now, why this side is so important for us, right? Now, this side is very important because for this triangle ACB, CB is the base of a triangle. So, the side opposite to the vertex is actually the base of that particular triangle. Now, the question is, do we have only one base of a triangle? Well, the answer is no, because there are three vertices in a triangle. So naturally, the base also not one. There are three bases of a triangle. Let's see this triangle. Here, right now, A is here, C and B. But if I rotate this triangle like this, then now look at this triangle. This is CBA. So if I consider this point or this vertex C, then BA becomes the base. Again, if I rotate this triangle like this, right? Now look at the triangle. You can see that now the triangle is BAC. So from the point of B, if I say, then AC becomes the base of a triangle. So we can say that there are three bases of a triangle, or there can be three bases of a triangle because there are three vertices of a triangle. Now, look at this. If I take a perpendicular line, let me make it darker. Okay, so if I draw a perpendicular line from this vertex A towards the base CB. Now see this. This line is joining CB exactly at 90 degree. This is joining CB exactly at 90 degree. When any line is joining another line exactly at 90 degree, it is called perpendicular. So this line, which we can name it as AD, is perpendicular to CB. Now why we are discussing this? See, this is perpendicular distance from A towards BC, and it is perpendicular distance because it is intersecting CB exactly at 90 degree, and such a line segment is called altitude. Okay, such a line segment is called altitude. Let me take it here. This is called altitude. So AD is your altitude. Let me take it like this. AD becomes your altitude. All right. So altitude is basically a perpendicular height of a triangle. Okay. And this is what we are going to discuss in our today's topic. So this is our series, Everything About Triangle. This is our part 4 of this series, and we are talking about altitude of a triangle. Now let's discuss this further. A line segment through a vertex. If you noticed, I drew this line segment through this point, that is vertex. So let me take it here. A line segment through a vertex and perpendicular to a line. But which is this line? The side opposite to the vertex is called altitude. Why this side opposite to the vertex only? Because that's the base of that particular triangle. Now, altitude is also called perpendicular distance or height of a triangle. Now, why we can call it a height? Because whenever we measure height, we always take it straight. When we talk about straight, then it has to be 90 degree. So it is called perpendicular. Okay. So again, a line segment through a vertex perpendicular. Perpendicular means forming a right angle. So a line segment through a vertex and perpendicular to a line, and which is this line? It is the side opposite to the vertex, is called altitude. So here in our case, AD becomes the altitude of triangle ACB. Now, altitude is also called perpendicular height or perpendicular. This is nothing but a perpendicular distance, right, of a triangle. Now, here the question is, do we have only one type of altitude? Well, the answer is no, because we have different types of triangle. So naturally, we have different types of altitude. Means altitude will be same, but they may not look like this, right? So in our next video, we will discuss different types of triangle and their altitude. Till then, goodbye.